What's going on, guys? Eli over here at Ceramic Pro Daytona, and today we're going to answer a couple questions about paint protection foam, why it's important, why I would want to put it on my vehicle. Let's get right to it. PPF is the only thing that's going to stop your car from getting rock chips or any kind of road debris into the paint and messing up that perfect finish. Yeah. So the Kavacha film that we use, it's being installed on this car and this car. It lasts for about 12 years. It is warranted through Carfax against any kind of yellowing, peeling, cracking, any kind of adhesion disturbances. So if you take PPF off the right way, pull with the right techniques, use some kind of either steam or heat gun, you can pull PPF off and not have any risk of peeling any paint or clear coat off. If you pull it the wrong way or pull it cold, then you do run the risk of messing up your paint. Yes! Yes!